Hello my beautiful family and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you with another look for this summer. So hopefully this is something that you guys like. And if you guys do, make sure you guys stay tuned so that way you can create this look along with me. So if you guys are ready for that, make sure you guys stay tuned. And for those of you who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. And why not turn that notification bell so you guys don't miss none of my videos. So before we jump into this makeup tutorial, I do have videos that from our vlogs that I did in California for our vacation. So if you guys haven't checked them out, I'll be leaving the descriptions down below or it'll be up here as a note for you guys to check it out. So I hope you guys are excited for this video and let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so as you notice, this is the look that we are going to be creating, which is a really nice pink and orangey colors right now for the summer before it ends. So we're going to go ahead and start off with our right side now, since I already went ahead and applied some tape so it can help me out. And the first thing that I'm going to be using is the Morphe palette by James Charles, and we are going to be using the orange color, the yellow color, and then we're going to be adding these two, we're going to be mixing these two colors together. So that is the first step we're going to be taking. So hopefully you guys are ready, and let's go ahead and get our brushes and get started. So here I have a regular blending brush, and here I already applied some of the orange. So we're going to go ahead and start off by applying this in the middle. And remember to pack as much coat as needed to get this look. So just kind of like pat it, and then we're going to go ahead and blend this. Okay, so using the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and start packing on the yellow now. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and move on with the pink, the two shade colors that I mentioned. And we're going to go ahead and start packing this on the outer corner. And of course, I did use the same brush. I just cleaned it out with a towel, with a clean towel that I had, so that I can create this look, something easy and affordable as well. So now we need to cut the crease, and we're gonna do just a half crease right here in the middle part, not all the way to the outer, just like this right here. We're just gonna apply some crease and just clean it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera because it does take me a while to do this. Okay, since I don't know if this is even or not, we're gonna go ahead and move on. So here I have the Morphe Bling Balls palette, and we're gonna go ahead and use the Bling Bling shimmer color right here. We're gonna go ahead and apply that on the lid. And I love this color because it looks more like a champagne rose color, and these are just my favorite ones. We're gonna be adding this first, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply another one on top of this. So grabbing the Mochi palette, we're gonna go ahead and use this purple right here. Same thing, I am using my finger for this look. You can also grab a smudge brush as well, one of those flat ones. So we're gonna go back with the pink colors, and we're gonna go ahead and fill in the edges just to smooth it out. So here I have a e.l.f. smudge brush, and we're gonna go ahead and add the pink underneath the eyelid. And going back with the Bling Bling I'm just gonna add some of these right here in the inner corner of the teardrop. Next, I have this Maybelline Master Precise ink pencil, and this is in black, and we're gonna go ahead and do our line. And for the mascara, we're gonna go ahead and use these Superhero It, and this is in black, and I got this mascara and from my FC Glam bag for this month of July. And just look how this mascara leaves my regular eyelashes. It leaves my eyelashes really long, and it lasts a lot too. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some falsies so that way we can get a more extra volume. All right, you guys, so we have completed this makeup tutorial. I want to thank you all so much for taking the time to watch my videos. So if you did enjoy this look, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and let me know comments down below, and let me know if you guys are interested to watch some of the fall looks, some Halloween tutorials. Are you guys excited that it's almost fall? Because I am. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys pretty soon for the next video. Bye guys.